Hold on, let me get the growl over with. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. On tonight's episode, we're going to unbox some tiny fun.
We're in heaven for episode 107.
We're also going to show you Wide Maxx stuff, and URC finally gets tires.
Yes.
So let's get right into it. It's going to be a long episode. Welcome.
Welcome.
Episode 107.
107.
Ultra C Hobbies Show. He's
Almost
Chris.
at 110. This is Aaron.
You almost at 110.
Yeah.
That would be like 1,000.
110.
Holy Dinah. But we're going to kind of cut this a little bit short. We got a lot of stuff, a lot of cool things going down. But before we get into it, thank you so much for tuning in to the Ultra C Hobbies channel. On every episode, we try to do unboxing videos like we're going to do here. We always talk about local events that we enter. And
we also do host,
Yeah, and the biggest thing is we also love to go racing. We race all across Western Canada. We love showing tech tips and things like that.
Custom builds.
Custom builds and custom painting and everything kind of in between.
Lots of bashing.
Oh, Chris is good at that.
Lots of bashing.
If you didn't check out episode 106, 105. 105.
Yeah, with the Max.
With the Max.
Yeah. Which we're going to fix today.
Yes. Well, and we're not just going to fix. We're going to upgrade. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get right into it. What do we want to do first?
Let's unbox this bad boy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
because I'm excited. I want one of these too.
The brand new C-10 Axial SCX24. So this has been long anticipated.
Yes.
They are available in two colors. They are available in this seafoam green, or they are also available in like a gunmetal silver.
Oh man, I bet our cameraman would just hold the silver one up right there, right quick. It's right there, Chuck. It's like, don't drop it.
If you do drop it, it's yours.
Yeah, not for free though.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pay for it.
There's the silver.
So there's the silver one.
Yeah, still nice looking. They're both really nice because the silver looks like that real mean looking Chevy old school truck, right?
Yep.
But the green just has that
killer vibe.
Oh, that killer vibe.
I mean, it's OG.
Yeah.
Right? Like it's legitimate shop truck. Seafoam green.
Seafoam green, man.
So we're gonna pull this up. Ready?
Yeah. Be gentle. Oh, it even comes with double A's, bro.
Yeah. So first thing that you pull out is going to be the mini truck. So there we go. We're going to go through everything else though that the box is going to include. So inside this bag is going to be your manual. You are going to get a, listen up if you want to fix it, a .050 inch Allen key. So if you do need these, we have a whole bunch of dynamite ones here on the wall. Double A's, you are going to get shorter and longer link sets. You're going to get an extra body clip with the pull tab. And you are going to get your color manual.
Next up, we've got the roll cage with a light bar.
So the
fake light bar, but
silver gunmetal kit already comes with this pre-installed.
Yep.
Yeah. So the biggest difference between the black one or the gunmetal black one versus the chrome green is all of the green stuff is all chrome. Front bumper, grille, wheels, all chrome. On the silver one, everything's black. So grill, the rural bar with the lights, the wheels, and the bumper are all going to be black.
And then we've got the included charger, balance charger for the battery, a USB charger, so plug it into phone charger or whatever, your computer.
Yep.
And then we've got the remote, the AX4.
So the cool part about this remote, since I have one of these, you open up this fancy lid here, and you're going to get a couple cool things. So you are going to be able to set all your low, medium, high, so your speeds, you can set it there. You can also reverse channel 1, you can reverse channel 3. So this one does have options of putting something extra on channel 3, which is really cool. Yeah, you get your steering trim for channel 1, and you also get your dual rate, so how fast and how far that servo is going to turn. So kind of a nice basic little remote, nothing too crazy, awesome for small hands. So if you want to get it for a young kid, awesome fit.
Oh yeah. Would you like to release the truck?
I'll release the beast. Boom. There it is.
Oh yeah. Look at that beauty.
The brand new SCX24.
I love the chrome rims too. Just has that nice look that the black one or the silver one doesn't have, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, they are method wheels too. You just don't get to see the little details on them.
But it does say method on them.
Yeah, they are a legitimate method wheel.
So you do get to see the details on them.
Yeah. So before we open the body,
you couldn't see it, but
before we open the body, you're gonna get the nice detailed chrome rear bumper. You're gonna get the Chevy decals and all the taillight decals. You're gonna get the chrome trim down the side, you're going to get the Axial decal. So this is one big decal, the Axial logo, the Chevy logo with the handles.
Yes.
So if you really wanted to cut that out, peel it off, totally can do that, no issues. Like Chris was saying, method wheels, you're going to get the nice LED lights pre-installed on the chrome front bumper.
That's a nice little feature.
It
Makes
is.
nighttime crawling in the house very possible.
Makes it a breeze.
Creeping around on people.
Yeah.
Put it on your sleeping spouse.
You get a very nice chrome grille.
Yes.
So the cool part with all the SCX24s, doesn't matter if you pick up the C-10, the Deadbolt, or the Jeep.
I only released 2 body pins.
Yeah. And guess what it does?
It flips up.
It flips.
That's flipping awesome.
Yeah. What a flippin' breeze.
Ah.
So there we go. So there is the included LiPo battery. So it's a 350 milliamp 2S LiPo battery.
Yep.
The only thing that kind of sucks with this battery is the plug-in for the receiver ESC unit. This is an all-in-one ESC receiver unit, and it does have the addition of channel 3 and some auxiliary stuff as well, like extra lights, things like that. You're going to get the basic...
So what that means is you can hook up a different speed controller to this, though.
Correct.
And not use it as a speed controller.
Correct.
So that's the nice thing about it is you don't have to replace the whole receiver unit if you do want to upgrade the speed controller.
That is a perfect point.
Makes an awesome thing. And if you ever want to use it in a different vehicle just as a receiver,
you totally can.
it's good to go.
Yeah, so it's kind of an ESC receiver unit, all kind of built in one. So it's a little bit different. But yeah, that's a great point.
Because I know lots
Great
of like
point.
the low season stuff, the all built-in unit is literally a built-in unit. That goes to that remote. You can't use it with a different
And there's
ESC
0
or
channels.
anything. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
This one's a good job.
Good job, Axial. I like it. So on the front, you're going to get a chassis-mounted AS1 servo, and you're going to get the caution hot motor. So,
Yeah. So look out.
little guy. All the hardware on here is going to be that 050. You're not going to need Phillips or anything extra like that. The only thing that is going to be a little bit maintenance prone on these is going to be the diffs. So as Chris is saying, they are worm gear. So I would highly recommend when you get your new SCX24,
Those guys right there.
I would highly recommend to actually change the grease out, add some udder butter,
Put
add
some udder
something
butter
different.
in there. Yep.
Yeah, you don't need much because if you add too much, that is going to add a lot of resistance to the
Yes.
drivetrain with it
Nice
being worm
light
gear.
coating and you're good to go.
Yep, but we would highly recommend to change that out. And pretty much everything else is full-size SCX10, just smaller.
Yeah.
You're going to get...
Metal C-channel frame rails.
yeah,
You got shocks all the way around.
Oil-filled, too.
With reservoirs, oil-filled shocks. It's solid axle,
Yeah.
front and rear, 4-link rear, 3-link front. What else does it have? It's pretty much the exact same. You've got your skid
Regular
plate that
old
looks almost the
skids.
same. Yep.
yeah, everything else is pretty
The
much the
only
same.
big difference is that worm gear. But
Yeah.
I mean, comparing it to the ECX, I like the worm gear style way better than theirs. It's just a lot smoother and everything. So,
And the addition of that 2S LiPo kind of takes this over the
cake,
top
yep.
because the problem with that
and
mini Barrage.
it's just a wider chassis, I believe, too.
It was a little
Yeah,
longer,
yeah.
this versus the
Yep.
Barrage. And I mean, the beautiful part is, with this, you're going to get the runtime extra,
Yep.
you're going to get the extra power, and with this AX2 and this receiver speed control unit, much more control and much smoother on the throttle as
And it
well.
comes with a new hat.
I don't think that's not a hat.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
That's not a hat. And there's something else cool. I'll go grab it.
Is this a hat?
Negatory.
I think this is a hat, folks. It's got the side viewing thing just in case it's windy.
Something else cool
What
with these
else?
SCX24s is our good
got
buddy
hoists.
Dalton 3D printed a whole bunch of hoists, which we have in stock. So you can put your SCX24 up on the lift for all your scale needs.
I think it just sits on the body.
No, it's missing a pin, but yeah, it usually sits up.
It
There's
fell
just
off the hoist.
some adjustable pins in
I'm a
here.
mechanic, it's okay.
There's some adjustable pins that you can lift it up or down. So we do have these in
Yeah,
stock
that's pretty cool.
with different colors available. They come in black, blue, or red, and they're $20.
Red hoist,
Yep.
must
So
lift faster.
yep. So there you go. That was the SCX24.
Exciting.
Chris is gonna pick one up. We're gonna have these on display at the annual Dragons
Yes,
event.
we're
the
gonna
car show.
build some crawler courses for them. We're gonna have a lot of fun.
We are gonna have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So there was the SX24. Let's get right into installing the Wide Maxx kit on the Maxx.
Yeah. The Maxx is back together after I broke it, you guys saw episode 105 when I sent it off the skate park. If you missed it, here's a little shot of that right now. Oh! The Maxx is back together, but she's a little narrow. As you saw, I did blow up the one wheel on it, so I was unable to use the stock tires anymore. So I've got these road rages here from Proline, some 3.8s, but we need to make her a little wide first. So I've got the Traxxas Wide Maxx kit here, 8995T. So T is orange. It's available in a couple colors, green, red, white, black, and blue, I believe. So whatever color Max you have, or whatever color Max you want to make it, available in your color. Or if you want to dye it your own color, get it in white and then dye it whatever you want. And then I'm also going to be installing the 8996A, which is the long steel drive shafts. Because I'm running the steel drive shafts in here, I need to put longer ones in with the wide kit. So that's a little kick in the butt, but I mean, it's going to be worth it in the end. If you are using the stock drive shafts, you do not need to buy these or buy any other parts. It'll work just fine. They stretch out enough, but the steel ones just don't have enough room, so you got to put longer ones in. So let's get the wheels taken off, get a corner taken apart, and let's see what the big difference is between the Wide Maxx kit and yeah, let's get into it. So we got the Wide Maxx kit all opened up. They give you instruction manual here. We've got 4 lower control arms, 4 upper control arms, 2 new tie rods for the front, and also a set of springs for the rear. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to end up taking the springs off the rear and move them to the front. Well, that's the rear and that's the front. But you know, these rear springs will go to the front. We're going to take those front springs out, and these new springs will go in the rear to stiffen everything up. We're going to put some thicker oil in it eventually. And right off the bat, man, these control arms just like way wider, way longer. So let's get this torn apart and see how much wider this thing really is. All right, so we've got the rear end taken apart. Both control arms, shocks are here. We've got the new springs ready to go on. Let's take a look at the comparison here in length. Here's the lower control arm. Look at the size difference there. It's about a finger's width. Same with the uppers. So it's 20 millimeters for each side. So this truck's gonna be 40 millimeters wider. That is gonna be wide, guys. I've also got the longer CV shafts in here. Do a little comparison here. There's the long one, and here's the original one. Look at the difference there, eh? Same thing, about 20 millimeters. So I'm gonna get this all kind of buttoned up. We're gonna change the springs over here, and then we're gonna put it together and see what the difference is between the rear and the front before I take the front apart. So we'll do a little halfway comparison here. Let's get into it. The rear all done. Not done the front yet. We just got the rear done there. Look at the difference there, guys. Whew. She is mean looking. She is mean looking. Let's get a top view there. Look at that. It's a big difference there. You can see the 2 fingers in there and 1 finger in there. So we've got a good 20 millimeters each side there. So she's going to be a wild beast. Now we're going to take the front end apart and get the front end all changed, and she gonna be wide. at it. Look at how wide it is. It's so wide. Aaron, it's so wide.
She's full width now.
Now we gotta test it out. We got front and rear springs changed. We've got 55 weight oil put in the back and 50 weight oil put in the front to keep the truck a little bit stiffer with the longer control arms. It could be under a little more stress. So now let's go out and take it for a rip.
That was installing the Maxx and the difference between the regular Maxx arms and the Wide Maxx.
I'm so excited to get it out next episode.
Check out.
For a rip.
Wait for some extra footage. But just one thing, if we kind of missed it, the Wide Maxx kit will work 100% without changing drive shafts if you retain the standard plastic drive shafts. Just as a sidebar. Okay. But
if you missed it in my video.
Correct. But what's the part? Let's get right into.
I can't look.
Guess that part.
I guess I gotta cover my eyes.
Yeah.
I need. I don't have a.
Chuck, what should I get him for? What should we get him for a part?
A hard one.
A hard one. They're all hard.
Want to put my bunny hug on backwards?
Yeah, do that. Don't look. I gotta pick something.
It's hard to put this on backwards.
I think I know what I'm gonna do.
It's so dark.
Hold me tight. What should we do? What should we do?
It's a tire.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. We'll go with.
Even you take a long time, I know it's going to be really challenging.
I will go something relatively easy today, because nobody's really got it yet.
Yeah, no one has without hints.
And I want to know the part number on this.
Oh, come on. Where is it? I hear it. Oh, it's a CV rebuild kit.
Oh, okay, for what though?
It's for like an old Emax.
Oh, dang, what's part number?
Oh man, I don't even know. It's like 6, no.
Actually, it's not for an old Emax.
Or an old Revo.
It'll be for a Revo.
Yeah.
And not an old one. All the Revos had the same drive shafts.
Very similar to the U-joints that are in the Max.
Yes.
I don't know, like a 4,000 number?
Oh, no.
3,000.
No. Going the wrong way.
7,000.
Way too high.
5,000.
Yeah, you're
53.
Good. Nope.
54.
Yep.
72.
Nope.
Close?
Yeah, you're like 20 off.
52, 54, 60, 52.
Yeah!
Ah!
There we go. What was the giveaway?
It was the pin and then the square.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that would work. Not old Emax, because old Emax at 1.5, 2.5 T-Max, Emax had just like the Revo or the slash that one.
Oh yeah.
Where it's just like a cross pin.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I thought I was gonna
good.
do. You know, I was gonna do this or I was gonna do these. Like, would you have guessed these? Ever?
Adjustable. Yeah, for the Revo.
The Mini though.
Oh, for the Mini.
Would
They're
you
hard
ever
to
guess
feel. But the fact that it came with an Allen key would give it away to me.
Ah, true.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
True.
This is something adjustable.
There we go. That was another episode of Guess That Part.
Gotta get right side forward.
That was the end.
Yeah.
Episode 107. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. But before we say goodbye, make sure you check out all of the other social media platforms that we're on.
Yes.
Check out RC Deebs over here, Chris. He's on Instagram,
Yes.
Facebook, as well as YouTube. Don't forget to check out the shop's website, www.ultrachobbies.com. Don't forget to check out all of our social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and as well as YouTube, Ultra RC Hobbies. They're pretty easy to get a hold of. But thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, it really starts making sense now.
It never will, Sonny.